Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pavlova Meringue easy guide. Preheat oven to 120 degrees C and separate 4 egg whites, keeping bowls grease-free for maximum volume. Whisk at medium speed to soft peaks and add 200 g sugar tablespoon by tablespoon until glossy and stiff. Fold in 1 tsp vinegar and 1 tablespoon cornstarch to stabilize, then spoon onto the circle and shape a high rim for filling. Start by ensuring egg whites are fat-free and at room temperature for better volume. Beat at medium speed until soft peaks form, then add sugar tablespoon by tablespoon and mix until completely dissolved. High sugar content stabilizes the meringue and creates a crisp exterior with a marshmallow interior. Add 1 tsp corn flour and 1 tsp vinegar to prevent weeping, then dry slowly at 100. Invert the meringue gently onto a plate and add whipped cream lightly sweetened with 1 tablespoon sugar for balance. Scatter 200 g mixed berries or sliced kiwifruit to add acidity and color, and finish with a little citrus zest for aroma. If you like a twist, dust with sifted cocoa or add a fruit coulis. Serve within 24 hours and store leftovers airtight for up to 48 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.